Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This is video number 765, I believe. Yes. So I know that some of my videos are not demonstrations of a unit. I got maybe 5 that are like why tape players don't eat tapes, how you should take care of your capstan, stuff like that. So this most likely means this is about the 750th unit that I'm demonstrating as repaired by myself on camera. So let's go ahead and this is a 69 Charger. This is a unit out of a 69 Charger. It was an AM-8 track. It is now an AM-FM 8 track. This comes from my friends at Martin Communications in Brainerd, Minnesota, and we're here to check everything out before it goes back. Now, this customer requested the conversion to be wired to his original connector, so it's only a 2-speaker radio. There is not going to be a front-rear fader to demonstrate. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, so let's go ahead and turn it on.
An actor put in place by the WEF
okay,
to
we'll
wage
make sure
war
our
for a new
balance
world
control
order.
works.
And if you question
balance
this
right,
nonsense, well, you
balance
are
left,
quote, controlled
right,
opposition.
left.
These new
Okay,
conspiracy
let's go ahead
theorists
and
have
center the
convinced
speakers.
themselves they are brave.
Okay, we don't need this anymore.
Thinkers, when in truth,
okay, now that's the one strong AM station I get in my area. Let's go ahead and switch to FM, and I'll run through the stations really quick so we don't get nailed for copyright. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Just going to run all the way down the dial.
send our way.
La misma gravedad. No.
Look at my feet.
With a little bit of kiss and a hug.
Pleasure to be here, always.
Senior Democrats on this committee.
Podcasting.
It's time now.
Couldn't cut it as a poor man's feeling in this city.
Communities leaders.
Okay, I counted about 20, 25 stations, something like that. So let's go ahead and test the 8-track function. You got some Nielsen
You'll
out there,
hear about the hot
as usual.
topics in Yavapai County.
Could you trade a chugging down the track? Hush, 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 the blue. Rain used to fill their holding you. Hush, hush,
Is there tone control? Alrighty. Pull the tape out.
Listening right now.
Radio comes back.
BBB Pacific.
And that's it. We're going to test the dialite. Actually, I've already tested that off camera, so we know that works. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. My website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the website's for. I very much appreciate it when a customer already kind of knows what I'm about, what he wants, the prices that I charge, the turn times and stuff like that. All that information will be on my website, and then when it comes time to call me, then it's just to make sure that I'm a good guy, that I sound okay on the phone, that you can trust me and stuff like that. So on that happy note, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching and listening, and thank you, Martin Communications, for your repeat business all the way from Brainerd, Minnesota. See you guys next time.